I have to go.
I thought you're here to make sure your daughter will be safe. Luciana, are you really here for your daughter? Or are you here for something else?
Please have Giancarlo call me. I do not know his next move, but perhaps I can help.
Yung Luciana na yan, strikes again. Kumukulo talaga ang dugo ko dyan.
Oh, Nay! Nay, hindi pa naman natin sigurado kung siya talaga yung maaligid sa bahay ng mga Ordona. Kaso kanina, bago kami magkaiwalay ni Serena, nakontak daw niya mami niya. At tama, dito daw sa Pilipinas eh.
Naku, yan na yun talaga yung bruhildang yan. Kung bumana at pailalim.
Oo, mahirap talaga yun. Kung bumana at pailalim.
Alam mo, kung nandito ang tatay Dodoy, no? Sigurado, pareho kami ng opinion
Oo,
doon.
tiyak yun eh. Takot ko lang sa'yo.
Naku, talagang takot lang mo sa akin.
Ano?
Giancarlo.
Oh my god! One! Just one! Okay! 800 MS!
Giancarlo.
Where's the elevator? Because I literally
Promise me
forgot.
this. You cannot give again.
Okay, there.
Stop
There's
it.
the
It
elevator.
pisses me off.
One! Just one!
Pronto?
One! Just one!
Possiamo parlare?
One!
Grabe.
Yeah, one!
Ang dami na palang nangyari.
Oh my god,
Halos isang
I have
linggo lang
phone
doon sa Happy Arts
home.
Club. Parang na-miss ko na kalahati ng kwento.
Wrong timing naman kasi yung
Wrapping up.
retreat mo eh.
Oo nga. Turning point
Okay,
kaya
even
natin ang
climb
kwento.
this. Okay, cannot.
Linggoy, ilang araw na ako nawala. Parang nagiging seryoso ka na, Inlay.
Kaya naman, seryoso naman talaga ako in person.
Okay, another one.
Seryoso. Ano? Tutumba na ba natin si Luciana?
Not camera. And the computer cam at the same time. Oh, hi, Daddy.
You went there. Are you not thinking straight? Or that love of yours already clouded your brain? What if somebody saw you? What if somebody... I said nobody saw me!